Do you have those dark black triangles in your teeth? Do you hate them? Or trying to figure out why the heck you have them? Or you want to fix it? I am going to explain all of that in today's video. Dr. Nate here at Thrive Dental Orthodontics, and I have some small black triangles in between my teeth too, and we see this almost every day. I know how annoying it can be, so let me first off mention why you may have black triangles in the first place. Or what is a black triangle? So black triangle is actually the space in between your teeth underneath the kind of contact point and above the gum. And sometimes that area becomes really big and it reveals this kind of like darkness, and it just looks really unappealing. So how do you get a black triangle? Number one, it can just be super unlucky, and it is your teeth shape. So some people have very square shaped teeth, so when the teeth come together, there's no real space in between the teeth and it looks really nice and pretty, whereas other people have these trapezoidal type teeth, kind of these trapezoidal shape, and so when the teeth come together, it actually forms a little triangle in between those teeth. Number two is you may have some receding gums. So if the gums normally fill the space in between your teeth and they've actually gone away, that can reveal those black triangles too. Number three is you can have some bone loss similar to gum issues. If the bone level gets down on the top, if it goes too far up, it's going to reveal those black triangles even more. And number four, aggressive brushing and flossing. Yes, it is possible to brush and floss too much. Just be gentle with it. If you have an electric toothbrush, you know you have to be very, very gentle. Don't brush really hard. Brush nice and easy and gently. The electric toothbrush is doing all the work for you anyway. Okay, so you're like, Dr. Nate, I get it. I have black triangles. I know I have black triangles. How the heck do you treat them? All right, number one is, I like this the most because it involves orthodontics. You can do something we call slimming or interproximal reduction in between the teeth, and that causes a little bit of space, but we close that space with either Invisalign or braces, and that can drastically reduce the black triangles. Now, there definitely are some limitations to do that, so you have to talk to your dentist or orthodontist about that, but I really, really like that option. Second option is you can do some bonding, and that is just putting some composite, some tooth colored filling in between the teeth to make that black triangle look a little smaller. If it's done really, really, really well, it can be good, but it has to be done by a very experienced dentist because that is very hard to do the bonding in between the teeth like that. Thirdly is you can get some gum grafts, and gum grafts are interesting because the periodontist or the gum specialists normally do these, and they may go to the roof of your mouth, remove some gum tissue, some tissue from there, and put it on wherever you need some grafts. So sometimes it can be a little uncomfortable, but the results can be outstanding. And fourthly, this isn't gonna reverse that, but oh my gosh, just stop brushing and flossing so hard. Remember, brush maybe twice, max 3 times a day, floss once or twice, but when you're doing it, be nice and gentle. Same thing with floss. Don't go down under the contacts and smash down. Just, gently put the floss in, gently kind of go back and forth. Brushing, gently brush your teeth. You don't have to be super strong to get anything off. That is not how it works. So brush with a soft, bristled toothbrush, electric toothbrush, and just be very, very gentle. So then there you have it. Now you know why you have black triangles. You know how to reverse them. You know how to hopefully not get them in the first place. So this is once again Dr. Nate here at Thrive Dental and Orthodontics, and I'm putting out videos every single week. So if you've had any enjoyment in this video, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.